Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 0, B is 2, C is 4, D is 8. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. In this bracket, we have two terms which are multiplying each other, and we have a number which has the power. So according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. But inside the bracket, we have two number which has a power and also has the multiplication sign. So according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the exponent part. So here we have to solve this one, which is 3 raised to power 2. So we will solve this one, 3 multiplied by 2. 3 raised to power 2 means multiply by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 9. And divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference like 3 raised to power 2, 9. Move forward. Now we have to solve again bracket, which is 2 multiplied by 9. So we will solve this one, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 18. And divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18. Now move forward. We have solved this one as well. Now move to see like the division and multiplication, because according to the rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So we have solved the bracket here. Now we have to see the exponent part. So we also have solved the multiplication exponent part. Now we have to see that division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So first we have this 3 multiplied by 18. First of all, we will multiply these two terms. Now, one more thing. So, you will say like I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication. The rule is same for both, like you are using the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. First of all, you have to solve the left to right and find out which is coming first. So here we have 3 multiplied by 18. So we will multiply these two terms like 3 multiplied by 18, which is equal to 54. So 54 divided by 6 plus 7 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference like 3 multiplied by 18 equals to 54. Now move forward. We have to see again left to right. We have to go and find out which is coming first. So now we have 54 divided by 6. So we will solve this one. So now we have to divide by 6. So we have the answer is 9. 9 plus 7, 7 and minus. And here we have to give the reference like 54 divided by 6 equals to 9. Now move forward. We have solved the division and multiplication. Now we have to see the exponent part, addition and subtraction. So now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 9 plus 7. So this becomes like 16 minus 8. And here we have to give the reference 9 plus 7 equals to 16. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 8. So the answer of the given expression is 8. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.